I'm so proud of my carrots. Let's harvest these carrots. I've been most excited for this one because she looks beautiful. Oh, great start. Oh, pretty. Oh, she's so little. Oh, I like that one. This one looks pretty promising. Oh, just a little funky. This one looks really nice. Let's pull it together. I am so proud of my carrots. You guys, this is my literal best harvest ever. What in the world? Oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. This is just absolutely amazing. Every single, what? And here I was worried that these babies would not be as pretty. And that is the 2026 carrot harvest. I've been doing this for, I think, 3 or 4 years now, and this is my best harvest to date. I am so pleased.